The beauty of the human race is a divine masterpiece, woven together by God's hand, where every individual reflects His creativity, His love, and His purpose. Revelation 7:9 paints a breathtaking image of a multitude from every nation, tribe, people, and language standing before God, united in worship. This vision reminds us that our diversity is not a barrier, but a beautiful aspect of God's design, revealing His boundless imagination and heart for all people. We live in a world that often turns diversity into division, using race and ethnicity as points of contention and exclusion. But when we look through God's eyes, we see that our differences are actually gifts designed to enrich and reflect the fullness of His glory. Each person, no matter their background or appearance, holds intrinsic worth because they bear the image of God. The debate over race, especially within influential spaces like hip-hop, can feel empty because it often misses this greater truth. Our identity is rooted in something higher. We are God's creation, created to know Him and reflect His love. The richness of hip-hop itself was born from this diversity and unity, giving voice to struggles, dreams, and truths from all walks of life. Choosing to step away from fruitless arguments about race doesn't mean that we ignore injustice or turning a blind eye to real issues. Instead, it means focusing on a deeper mission, one of truth and love. Speaking truth to power isn't about elevating one group over another. It's about lifting every voice in unity, standing as one people redeemed by God. When we engage from this perspective, we no longer focus on dividing lines, but on building bridges, echoing God's love for every nation, tribe, people, and language. In this truth, may we celebrate the beauty of every person, understanding that our diversity brings glory to God and points to the day when all His children, all of His creation, will worship together as one. Peace.